What's up, guys? Thank you so much for purchasing the Soar Tour. My name is BenGFitness. I've been a personal trainer for 1.5 years now, and I've been a professional drummer for about 8 years. I've done the whole gigging thing in town. I've been on the road. I know how it is when you're not gonna be home, you're not gonna have access to your home gym, your home weights, and you still wanna try to stay healthy even when you're on the road. So, given that, I designed this workout program to be done with minimal equipment for being on the road. No equipment at all. If you don't have anything, we can still get that good work in. Or if you do have a gym membership that allows you to go to a gym on the road, or maybe you're at home and you just want to switch it up, we can absolutely do this at a full gym setting as well. Okay, so what we're gonna hit on today, or in these intro videos, is going to be our intro, our song 1, song 2, climactic stage dive, and then our outro, which is gonna hit lower body, upper body, core, cardio, and then full body strength and conditioning to close it out. Okay, now in the PDF, there's also a page for recovery tips, foam rolling and stretching. We're not gonna go super in depth on that right here because I have a ton of good stuff on my Instagram for that, which you guys should absolutely check out. It is at BenGFitness on Instagram. All right, so let's get into it, y'all.